cancel the flight?
Yeah, you can clear that out of there. Get ready for the next one.
Yep, and cancelling, right?
Yeah.
And
9 Alpha Tango's ready to copy.
29 Alpha Tango, you are cleared to the Fox Romeo Golf Airport as filed. Departure, call maintain 2000, expect 6000, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 123.67, squawk 1351.
Okay, 9 Alpha Tango is cleared to Republic as filed. On departure, maintain 2000, expect 6000 in 10 minutes. Departure is 123.67 and squawk 1351.
9 Alpha Tango, readback is correct. Advise ready for taxi to the active.
Full advise, 9 Alpha Tango. I gotta go to PVD, that's what it is. PVD and then Victor 475.
yep, PVD.
Yeah. And we can load in an airway after this.
Oh yeah.
Load airway. Victor 475 to Groton, right?
Correct. Not to all Oscar Romeo.
Oh yeah, Norwich, okay.
Yep.
Tower, Shuttle 6202 and one phase visual 23.
Air Shuttle 6202, Providence, Tower 1, Comma with 23, clear line.
Good line 23, Air Shuttle 6202.
Victor 16, Calverton.
To Calverton, yep. Victor 46.
Okay. Victor 46 to Deer Park.
Yeah, direct.
PK. Enter, and then we're going home. Or J, enter. Okay, going at 2000. Departure, expecting 6010. Departure will be 123.67. The squawk 1351 is in the box.
Yep.
Tower 9 Alpha Tango is ready for taxi to active.
Number 9 Alpha Tango, taxi to runway 23 via Mike Alpha.
Mike Alpha to 23, 9 Alpha Tango. Alright.
Rock on.
It's so easy when you have the menu load airway instead of typing in all these waypoints.
But the other one has even the easier stuff for the airways, yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Landing, crash, fit, no takeoff, scientists and thing.
Some tanks over here.
The pump is on.
Yeah, booster, mixture, flaps 50, and lights are on. Up to the whole point. The guy on final there.
Do you trim it? Do you trim for takeoff? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Trim, yeah. Cool.
That's it. Alright, 2000 initially, runway heading.
We have the traffic on fire.
Yeah. Providence Tower, good morning again. Cirrus 299 Alpha Tango's holding short at 23 on Alpha, ready for departure.
299 Alpha Tango, Providence Tower, Roger, hold short runway 23, traffic short final.
Hold short at 23, traffic in sight, 9 Alpha Tango.
Air Shuttle 6202, turn right on Tango, taxi to the ramp via Tango, this frequency.
Tango with you, Air Shuttle 6202.
November 299 Alpha Tango, Providence Tower, turn right heading 250, runway 23 cleared for takeoff. Traffic is a Airbus on a 5-mile final.
Copy that, clear to go off 23, right turn to 250, 9 Alpha Tango. 250 set. Final's clear, I got the Airbus turning final in sight. Jet's off the runway.
And Tower America 1981 is on a visual 23.
America 1981, Providence Tower, runway 23, clear to land.
Runway 23, cleared to land, America 1991.
Alright, 23 it is. 23, ready to go? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full power set. Engines in the green. Airspeed's coming alive. 55, 60, 65, 70 knots, rotate. Here we go. Degrees up, above 85 knots, flaps come up.
Traffic, 2 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile.
Everything looks good in the green. 95 knots. Some altitude under us before we roll into that right turn.
Yep. 250.
Yep. Rolling into that turn.
Number 9 Alpha Tango, contact departure.
Over departure, 9 Alpha Tango, so long.
Oh yes, traffic in sight.
500 feet, flaps up, caps available. Departure, good morning, Cirrus 299 Alpha Tango, switch out 800, climb in 2000.
Cirrus 299 Alpha Tango, Providence departure, radar contact, pound altimeter 3038.
38, 9 Alpha Tango. 38 is set.
Number 7 Charlie Hotel, flying at 345 vectors for the localizer.
I'm not doing a ILS, I'm doing the RNF.
7 Charlie Hotel, my apologies. I'll be vectors for the final approach course.
Hey, final. 340 at this time.
Number 81364, contact approach 119.45.
119.45, 81364, thank you. Approach 105, 1 minute prior.
Central aircraft passenger activity over Danielson Airport in 1 minute, 14,000 feet.
Wow.
Providence approach, Cardinal 18738.
Number 9 Alpha Tango, turn right heading 290 vector for the climb, maintain at 4,000.
290, they're heading up to 4,000 now, 9 Alpha Tango.
Road 37 Charlie Hotel, with this approach terminate.
Full stop, sir.
29 Alpha Tango, traffic 11 o'clock, 7 miles northwestbound up to 2,700.
Look up that traffic, 9 Alpha Tango, no joy.
37 Charlie Hotel, traffic 3 o'clock, 5 miles northwestbound, Cirrus coming out of 2,000 for 4,000.
37 Charlie Hotel, negative contact.
Us, yeah.
Providence approach, Cardinal 18738.
There he is, that's him, but he's way off.
Yeah.
Cardinal aircraft check in, say again.
18738.
Cardinal 18738, take position altitude.
Goose 45 Bravo Zeus with the 1,500 VFR grounded report.
Cardinal 18738, take position altitude.
I'm heading to Morse Vineyard at 5,500.
Nice.
First one jump 5, jump to way descending. Sun jump 5, roger.
Oh, there he is.
4 power 0 up, House altimeter 3038.
Side.
Over 29 Alpha Tango, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles northwestbound, altitude at 2,500, proceed direct Norwich.
We got the traffic inside, proceed direct Norwich, 9 Alpha Tango.
Over 9 Alpha Tango, contact approach 119.45.
Over to approach 1945, 9 Alpha Tango, so long.
That was 45,000 Quantum over today. 45,000 Quantum will be opening momentarily.
Hey.
You got it?
Yep. Approach, good morning, Cirrus 299 Alpha Tango's out of 5.6 for 6,000, direct Norwich.
29 Alpha Tango, Providence, roger.
You got it? Yep. Billy heading.
Yeah.
0 Whiskey Bravo, contact Boston Center, 124.85, see ya. 2485, it's always a pleasure, we'll see you next time. Number 15 Whiskey, descend to maintain 3,000, the Westerly Airport's 12 o'clock and 10 miles.
Okay, down to 3 and we're looking for Westerly.
Columbia 65031, Providence.
65031, 3,500.
Columbia 65031, roger.
And Providence 8315 Whiskey has Westerly in sight.
8315 Whiskey, roger, clear visual approach into the Westerly Airport, and you report cancellation IFR in the air on this frequency or on the ground on this frequency.
Okay, we'll go ahead and cancel with you at this time. 15 Whiskey.
Number 15 Whiskey, IFR cancellation received, Class B fire free exchange approved. Good day.
Good day.
Morning, Providence, Chronos 3141. Chronos 3141, Providence.
We're airborne off of Fisher's Island, like to pick up an IFR to Allegheny County.
Chronos 3141, roger, stand by.
Hey, Providence approach, command 27531, Papa.
Number 299 Alpha Tango, contact New York approach 125.97.
Over to approach 2597, 9 Alpha Tango, so long.
Number 7 Julie November, contact approach 125.75. 125.75.
Approach, good morning, Cirrus 299 Alpha Tango's level 6,000.
299 Alpha Tango, altimeter 3037.
37, 9 Alpha Tango.
20 Charlie, 625, there's multiple targets in your vicinity there by 1 to 11 o'clock and 2 southwest down at 2100. Zulu, just verify you're going to Nantucket, correct? 4893 Tango, New York. Columbia 031, Columbia 031, try Providence approach 119.45. Q1400, change my frequency 125.97.
Oh, we've got a nice tailwind now. 23 minutes. Yep, that was pretty well 55. A little bit faster on the way out there.
0400, listing 2597.
Pick up that captain, anybody advise, give me the 1 minute call. Who else is calling?
21400, listing 2597.
Thank you. He's here, Charlie Station, see advisor, free multiple jumpers over Brookhaven in there.
Yeah. Alright, look at that.
New York Golden Eagle 421 Tango Golf, 4,500 feet going to Teterboro.
421 Tango Golf way?
Burning a lot.
Yeah, we're going to Teterboro. We're at 4,500 feet.
No, where are you?
Oh, just by Madison.
Okay, contact to approach on 124.07.
I thought he gave me the wrong number. Okay, thanks.
I can't believe all these cameras. I can't believe it, man. Beautiful. Hope they're all recording.
American approach, 93 Alto Foxtrot, student Apollo with you.
Oh, looking back here, yeah. Still got active back there. This is the main one I like to get.
Yeah, right.
Gives
This
you
is
the whole
beautiful,
overshot.
Yeah, he's gonna get this camera too, though.
Yeah.
You know, so it's.
Well, then this one hopefully will get this.
Yeah.
You know. Should be enough juice in that now. This gets the overshot and this gets the close-up.
If a camera like this is what, $300 each for?
Four or 500. I spent about 8,000.
3 Alto Foxtrot with you at
over the years.
500 student pilot. 2.2 the traffic 12 o'clock. I'm maneuvering at 7.
You know, all this stuff. That's all.
We got it,
45, 50 bucks a pop, you know? Extra batteries, memory cards.
Oh, 10,000. That's
Easy.
10 grand, really, easy.
Probably, yeah, 8 to 10.
Central Cafe shipping for KPVD 8000.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's a hobby, man.
It is beautiful,
You know?
let me tell you.